Ever sent money on Venmo and wished you could get it back? Maybe the item wasn't as described, the service wasn't delivered, or you simply changed your mind. Well, you're not alone. Taking back a Venmo payment can be tricky, but it's not always impossible. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Venmo refunds and explore your options. Venmo has become incredibly popular for quick and easy money transfers between friends and family. It's great for splitting bills, sending birthday gifts, or even getting paid back for that coffee you bought. But what happens when things go wrong? Can you actually get your money back if the other person doesn't come through? The short answer is, it depends. Venmo has its own set of rules and procedures for disputes and refunds, and understanding these is crucial. 1. Understanding Venmo's dispute process. The basics. Venmo operates on a friend-to-friend payment system, meaning it's primarily designed for casual transactions between people who know each other. This means there's less emphasis on strict buyer/seller protections compared to platforms like PayPal, which are more geared towards commercial transactions. Dispute reasons. Goods not received. This is a common reason for disputes. If you paid for something and never received it, you can initiate a dispute. Services not rendered. Similar to goods, if you paid for a service that wasn't provided as agreed, you can dispute the payment. Payment made in error. If you accidentally sent money to the wrong person or sent the wrong amount, you can try to dispute the payment. Unauthorized transaction. If you believe your account was compromised and someone used it without your permission, you need to report it immediately. 2. How to initiate a dispute. Within the Venmo app, find the transaction. Locate the specific payment you want to dispute within your Venmo transaction history. Report the issue. Look for the report or dispute option within the transaction details. Provide details. Clearly explain the reason for the dispute. Be specific and provide any supporting evidence you have, screenshots, photos, messages, etc. Contact Venmo support. If you're unable to resolve the issue through the app, you can contact Venmo support directly. They can assist you with your dispute and provide further guidance. 3. What happens after you initiate a dispute? Investigation. Venmo will review the information you provided and may investigate the dispute further. Communication. Both parties involved in the transaction may be contacted by Venmo to gather more information. Decision. Venmo will make a decision on the dispute based on their investigation and the evidence provided. 4. Important considerations. Evidence is key. The more evidence you can provide to support your claim, the stronger your case will be. This might include screenshots of conversations, photos of the item or service, receipts, or any other relevant documentation. Time limits. Be aware of any time limits for initiating a dispute. Venmo has specific deadlines, so it's crucial to act promptly. Friend-to-friend versus business transactions. Venmo's dispute process is generally more streamlined for friend-to-friend transactions. If you're dealing with a business or a commercial transaction, you may have stronger legal recourse outside of Venmo. 5. Tips for avoiding disputes. Communicate clearly. Before making a payment, clearly communicate the terms of the transaction with the other party. Use the Notes section. Utilize the Notes section within Venmo to provide additional details about the payment, such as what it's for or any specific instructions. Get things in writing. Whenever possible, get any agreements in writing, whether it's through Venmo's messaging feature or another communication channel. Only send money to people you trust. Whenever possible, only send money to people you know and trust. 6. Alternatives to Venmo disputes. Mediation. If you and the other party are unable to resolve the dispute on your own, you could try to mediate the situation. Small claims court. For larger amounts or if you're unable to resolve the issue through Venmo's channels, you may have the option to file a claim in small claims court. Disclaimer. Please note that Venmo's policies and procedures are subject to change. The information provided in this video is for general guidance only and should not be considered legal advice. Always refer to Venmo's official website or terms of service for the most up-to-date information. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.